everybody, today I want to show you how we install vinyl planks on the stairs. This vinyl plank has a click locking system, and as well they are waterproof and oil and stain resistant. So the first step was removing all the carpet and all the staples under it, so pretty much the floor had to be completely clean. These two tools help us to cut the vinyl very easily, but if you don't have them, you can cut the vinyl with a very sharp knife. To begin with, we measure the distance to accommodate the stair nosing and the plank. Then measure the length of the stair, and finally we were able to cut the stair nosing and the metal part that was going to keep it in place. The next step was measuring and cutting the planks. Now we place and screw down the metal part for the stair nosing, and after that we were able to apply glue all over the place and put the planks on top of it. And when that was done, we placed the stair nosing. This is a better shot of what we're doing. Remember that the planks have to be completely flat and attached to the wood. In areas like this is where the multi-crafter tool is going to help you create straight cuts. Now, if you're not too sure of how to make the specific angles and it's a little bit difficult for you, as a quick tip, you can place a piece of paper and draw the shape of the area that you want to cut, and then place it on the vinyl planks, and that's it. This is how they used to look. And this is how they look now. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you want to see more of the renovations that we're doing in this house. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!